we will be printing our own decals for the number 17, for the Hot Wheels logo, and also for those of you who collect Hot Wheels and know, I'm going to add a little treasure hunt flame at the end, at the side of the car. Okay, so I just need to get the measurements here. So the circle is easy. Okay, it's going to be about, we can even do this in centimeters. 2 centimeters. It has to fit within 2 centimeters. I say 1.5 centimeters. 1.5 centimeters for the Hot Wheels flame logo. Okay. 2 centimeters for the number 17. Got to find the right font. And then on the back, we will put a little flame in the back, a little treasure hunt logo. That's going to be maybe 1 centimeter. So 1, 1.5, and 2. This is what I'm using here. This is from the Bare Metal Foil Company. Great company. But I only have 1 sheet. Okay? So I'll do a test print on a piece of paper, compare it onto this car before I actually do a print on this sheet of paper on my inkjet printer. Wish me luck. Here's a test page. I will be cutting it out and seeing how it fits on the car before I do a final print on the actual decal sheet. The number will have to be slightly smaller since the edge of the one is extending past the circle. I'm going to try to carefully cut this out so I still have a lot of decal paper on the edges so I can reuse this in the future. I had sprayed a couple thin coats of the Microscale Industries liquid decal film over this to protect the ink as I work with it, so hopefully none of this will smudge or, you know, discolor. We'll see. This one came out pretty good, huh? My trimming, look at that. Pretty good. I printed it near the top towards the center, so that way I can refeed this into my printer in the future and use the center or the bottom of this sheet in case I mess up or if I need new decals. You notice I used a black background on these decals. That way if I don't get a perfect trim, then it will blend a little bit more into this dark blue than if it was a white background. Then you can see it, you know, stand out like a sore thumb. Also, besides the black backgrounds for the numbers, it's a white background, which is okay because, see, this is white. So you kind of have to design it in a way which works for your model, because since printers can't print in white, there's no white ink, you just kind of have to work around that somehow. For example, using the black backgrounds, and not printing on the white. You see that? So I print it all around the edge of it, leaving the white decal since there's no white printer ink. So let's see how this is. Okay, it's coming off right away. Okay. Moving into place. Decals are a little thicker than regular kit decals. But that's good. I mean, if you're going to be manipulating it a little, right? Let's just see how everything blends in after it dries. Good thing I'm not putting this on panel lines, etc. See? Pretty clean, huh? So that black border pretty much helps it blend into the car, even though the car's blue. It was either that, or originally I tried like a blue surround, but my printer ink couldn't get a dark blue close enough to this blue. So the black worked a lot better than a blue black background for me for this car.